I literally only said 2015 in my intro and nothing else, so let me restart that. Hey guys, as Scout 2015 here with another YouTube video. Alright, so I posted a Musical.ly really recently. It was a transition video, and I'll put it right here. Crazy over you. And everybody was really like curious on how I did the little iPad thing in the part of it. So I'm going to be today doing like a tutorial on how to do the little fancy iPad transition trick. Without any further ado, let's get straight on with this. Alright, so this Musical.ly is definitely not anything ready to go or going to be posted, so it's kind of bad lighting. I didn't really put the best effort to make it perfect because you guys already know what it's gonna look like, right? So I just showed you how to make it look similar to that. Okay, anyways, so just start the part and do the crazy over you in normal, and then make sure to bring it forward to you, and then once you do that, you're going to exit out of the Musical.ly app and click on the camera app and take a very similar picture. Oh, hey Ryan, what's up? Okay, and you're gonna take a similar picture, and then you're gonna go to your camera roll, and then you're gonna click the little share button in the bottom left corner and airdrop that or send it to your iPad. So then after the airdropping, you're gonna wanna go back into the Musical.ly app, and I'm still in normal 1x, and then like it's a normal video, and then pop out, and then boom, you're in an iPad. And then you go into what am I talking about? And then you go back into the camera and take a picture of it, and then you gotta airdrop it once again, you know, and then you could send it to text or whatever, but I use airdrop because it saves it straight to the camera roll, and then you go back into Musical.ly, and then it'll be straight on the iPad, and now it looks like there's 2 iPads. And then you could just keep on going with this effect as much as you want and have as many iPads as you want, and you can redo it. You might redo it a few times because sometimes it looks kind of choppy, and I didn't redo it enough amount of times because in this video, it ends really choppy. But am I going to redo it? No, because I achieved the effect once, so there's no need to do it again because this is how I did it, and yeah. Enjoyed this tutorial. It was kind of a choppy transition. Yes, the transitions, if it doesn't look good, you have to redo it and try different speeds until it looks good, and it basically, that's how you get it to look like that. And you can just put it in normal or 2 or even 3 and just do whatever it feels your needs. This transition that I showed you guys was kind of choppy because the other one took me hours, and I did not have hours on hand to recreate that. So the other one's how it's supposed to look. That's basically what I did to get the effect, and you just use normal or ×2 or ×3, and that's basically really it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial or video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, click the subscribe button if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video whenever that is. I love you guys so much. Stay positive. Bye.